Today we're going to Tara Devi Temple, Shimla. Hi, my name is Arshab and this is my brother Arif. I'm at my mom's hometown in Shimla. Today we're going to the temple on top of that mountain. So we have reached Tara Devi Temple, the temple I was pointing at this morning. And it has a beautiful view of all the mountain ranges around. And surprisingly, Arif was also loving the views. After that, we had bandara, which was very delicious and quick. After that, I went to another temple, which was on the other side of the mountain, which was also very beautiful. Then Arif went running. And he also raced with another guy. The temple and the views were very beautiful and we had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.